on the way down as Accenture's guidance and the commentary was a bit weak. That's the opening tick. The Nifty's opened at 18,280, just a gain, a slim gain of close to about 0.6%, a fractional gain coming through for the mid-cap index. The mid-cap index is just up 0.1%. The Nifty and the Sensex have given up those single-digit gains and now are flatlining. Just, switching between the red and the green line. The advanced decline ratio, at least in the first few minutes, has opened positive. 3 stocks in the green for 1 in the red. The big knock on expected lines has come in on the IT space. The Nifty IT index is down 0.7% with heavyweights like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro. If I look at the top 5 Nifty losers, 4 of them are in the IT pack. Sun Pharma is another stock which is under pressure, and that's because of the negative news flow surrounding Halol. So Sun Pharma is dragging the markets lower. It's currently down close to about 1%. L&T, there was news. The company had sold their IDPL, the road project, 51% stake in IDPL. They were going to net close to about 1,390 crore, but the stock has opened a bit subdued, down close to about 0.5%. On the gaining side, it's a mixed bag. So Power Grid is your top gainer. A couple of FMCG names like Nestle, ITC have green going for themselves. You can also see strength on Adani Ports. That's up close to about 0.6%. Coal India, Hindalco. These are a couple of the other movers. But very, very quiet, right? I don't know if this is a sign of things to come because year end is approaching. Just last 2 weeks left, but absolutely flat, right? 3 points up, down on the mid-cap, and the Nifty as well, just down 3-4 points.
That's right, Riya, but there are some big winners actually from the broader markets. UTI, AMC, well, there are some unconfirmed reports that are suggesting that Tata is in the final talks to buy majority stake in UTI, AMC from PSU finance companies, and that's why that stock is up close to around 5%. Volumes as well have picked up out there, and we're just a minute or so into the trading session, so that one's up close to around 5%. The other one is KEC that won an order, that was just announced, close to 1,300 crores odd. So that one's opened up with a gain of around 1.5%. Yes Bank, they'll be selling the stress worth close to around 48,000 crores to JC Flowers ARC. So that's opened up with a gain of close to around 4%. Ashoka Bilcon, the subsidiaries will be selling stake in Joyra Naigon Toll for around 690 crores. So that's opened with a gain of close to around 2%. Phoenix Mills, they've announced an acquisition of a 7-acre land parcel in Surat. So that one as well, let's see whether or not it's reacting. Stock is up close to around 2%. IGL, Sonal told us that they hiked CNG prices, in Delhi. So let's see whether or not we're getting some reaction. Are they 0.5% higher? JMM Pfaudler, promoter participating a little bit. They've got into a deal to buy close to around 1% of what Pfaudler has to sell. So that one for the time being still reading under pressure. It recovered a goodish bit from the low point of the day. And finally, specialty restaurants. Well, that one's on my radar because the board will be meeting in the next couple of days. That's on the 21st, and they'll be considering a fundraising plan. So that's interesting. For the time being, the street is quite excited about that. It's up close to around 3%. But as we pointed out earlier today, the Nifty has moved into the red. Chasing the gap up is not going to be helpful. Expect a volatile trading session. We're down close to around 55 points from the high point of the day. Prashant, what else?